G'day guys and welcome back, and we have another 041 project in. This is actually a farmboss model, as you'll see, which you don't see often over here in Australia. You see the AVs a lot more commonly. As you can see, I've got a few of them here just waiting to finish off in bars and chains and whatnot, but I do have quite a few bars and chains hopefully rocking up this week, so I thought I would dig into this one, hopefully get it running, and yeah, we can whack a bar and chain on it when those turn up, and hopefully send it off pretty much like that. I am going to replace this side cover here because it has got quite a few little cracks in it from where someone's dropped the saw, I believe. Top cover does have some chunks cracked out of it too, but I am not going to replace that because I don't have another top cover with the farmboss logo on it, and I'd like to keep this pretty original. The saw turns over with really nice compression. No idea if it has spark, but we will find out pretty soon. So it's pretty much complete and just going to be one that I try to get running as is, and hopefully flush it through, see what we need to do, get it running really sweet, and whack a bar and chain on it and send it off. So let's see if it fires. Alright, we're back with the 041 farmboss, and I have a bar and chain sorted for this thing. They turned up today with some other ones that I ordered. This is the second-hand one. I do have quite a few new ones there now too. But it is pretty safe to say someone got the most out of that sprocket. So that's totally stuffed. Luckily, I have heaps and heaps of parts laying around for these 041s. I had a good one there, so I'll whack it back together with that one. Should have another one of these covers that I will put on, because as you'll see on that one, it's got some cracks going on, so I'll chuck a new one of them on. Muffler has a little hole in it there, and a couple of issues there, but not too worried about that. This is not a saw I'm doing up to be nice. It is, as the name suggests, a farmboss. Top cover still has those issues in it, but I don't have a spare one of them for a farmboss. But anyway, we'll put these parts on and hopefully give it a run, see what it does. Alright, as you would have just seen, this thing runs and cuts really well. It wants to high idle a bit, which is a bit strange, but I'd richened up the mixture a bit and it came good. It doesn't feel like it has any air leaks, not that I can tell at least, but no, it's come good. So I'm going to give this thing a bit of a wash, a bit of a clean up, and then it should be going up for sale. So little success here for the day, but yeah, let's give it a wash.